Hello, we're working on our grade 3 scales. Now we've done the four main scales, the A major and F sharp minor. They both have 3 sharps in the key signature. And we've looked at the two main scales with 3 flats, which is E flat major and the relative minor C minor. We've now got a contrary motion one, and it's E flat major again, but now in contrary motion. So you may remember, here's E flat major, here's the right hand. So that's the right hand. If that doesn't ring any bells, I suggest you go back to one of the earlier videos for E flat major, which does it similar motion, hands going in the same directions. But make sure you can do it similar motion before you try and do this contrary motion. Right, now here's the left hand part. Start with your second finger on the same note. So that was your second, and that was your second. And then you bring your thumb under. Now the big difference here is, in the right hand it went E flat to F. Notice there's a note between them. And then you're away on you, and that sort of repeats. But in the left hand, when you come down, it's a semitone, it's right next to it. Then another note. And then it's just onto the flat, so that's very easy to do. Thumb under. 2 white notes. Thumb under. Thumb under. So when you put that all together, you'll have your second finger on the E flat, and your thumb going up onto an F there, and your thumb coming onto a D here. Like that. See where we are? Then next white note. Then the next black notes. Notice there's a bit of stretch to the left. Now thumb under in both hands, but that's got to go on to C, up that one up there, and this thumb is coming under onto G. White note, E flats. And then you're going to repeat that pattern, thumb under, onto F at the top, thumb under onto D at the bottom. White note. Black notes, turn again, C at the top, G at the bottom. So, that's the first bit. So make sure you can do this before you do any more. Right, so when you've got to that point, it's time to look at the rest of the video. So let's start from that point now. We've got 3 up there, 3 down there, and it goes 3, 2, 1, 4's over. Right, just got to be careful of the notes. So in the left hand, 3, 2, 1 is E flat, F, G. So in the right hand it's E flat, D, C. So you see the bottom bit there, you see that note gets missed out, whereas in the right hand you're just using the next notes. So one thing is, be aware of it, find the position, and then try not to think about it. Basically just try and find the flow of the piece. So just see if you can do that without, with it sound, you'll know it's right. Now 4 over onto black notes. So in the left hand they're very close, in the right hand you've got to get a little bit down to them. 2 black notes, then 2 white notes. Notice down here you've got a bit of a gap. 3's, 2 white notes, 4 over. So, and at the end, just cross onto E flats. Here's the whole thing. So before you try the whole thing, make sure you can do going out, make sure you can do coming back, and then try and put the whole thing together. So 2 thumbs, 2, 3, 4 thumbs, 2, 3 thumbs, 2, 3, 4 thumbs, 2, 3 and back, 4, 3, 4, and then at the end, rather than 3, just 2.